How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one or this one, as you can see, here we have over 300k followers. That means it's an important number. And here we have powered by AI. If we scroll down over here, you will find a lot of pictures of an AI influencer. As you can see, a lot of likes, comments. So this AI influencer, I mean, it doesn't exist, and you can create one to earn your money. Dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have to write the script. So a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars, and in this video I'll show you how to make one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. It's a base tool that can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and then you will type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So if we scroll down over here, so let's see, we have here the first one is get started and this the second one. So you can choose the one suits you or the one you like. And then here we have a lot of options that you can read because there are a lot of information that can help you to get or to understand more this website, how it works. And if we scroll down over here, you will find a lot of videos, a lot of AI avatar explain something, some topic. So here we have also a lot of or a various avatar that you can use, or you can choose one to get started as an AI influencer or as one has an AI influencer. So you can just click over here, get started, and then you can enter your email, your verification code, and then you will answer for a few questions and you can start signing up and you'll have this home page. So here we have the home page. As you can see, here we have a recent creations. You can find my recent creations, and you can also find hygiene learning guide. As you can see here, we have AI Studio. If you want more information about it, if you want more information about video avatar or AI voice or video translation. Also, if you want templates, so you can just click over here and then you will find or you can choose your template that suits your content. And as you can see here, we have a lot of a various topic with AI avatar explaining these topics. So if we scroll down over here, you will find avatars as you can see. So let's dive to video avatar to choose our AI character. So let's click over here studio avatar, and then you'll find a lot of or a various one. So you can choose the one suits you, as I said, or the one you like, and then you will start creating or editing your video. So let's for example select that one. As you can see, this is the description of AI character Caroline in black suit, and here we have this three dot if you want to edit avatar or if you want to get avatar ID, and here if you want to create your video. So let's click over here to create our video and landscape to start your YouTube video. As you can see, a lot of options appear. As you can see here, we have you can click on your AI avatar to for example change the place, so you can put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. Here we have animation, so if you want to add an effect on enter or effect on leave, and also you can zoom your AI character if you want, and then you will edit a script that you can suit your topic, and then you will if you finished your script, you can just click over here, edit script, and then you will edit another one, and also edit pause between two scripts. So here we have 3 second. You can do less 3 second or more 3 second. And here we have if you want to add a break harden, so this is it. And if you want to also employ audio, So if you don't have any idea how to create a script, you can just click over here and you can talk or send to GPT for script writer, so it will help you to create one. And then here, if you need translation your script to a specific language, and here we have the voices, so if you can here click or choose the voice you want, or just click the type if you want to explainer or natural voice or ads voice, audiobooks voice, e-learning voice, narration voice, games, or you can just choose the language of your voice, so you can choose Arabic, Danish, so you can choose which one you want, and then you will select the gender of your voice. As you can see, we already choose a female AI character, so it will be of course female voice. Here we have age, if you want a child voice, youth voice, middle-aged voice, older voice, and the same thing for function. You can choose a positive support head, or if you wanted adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. So this is a various options that you can help you to adjust your voice. So this is a various options that you can help you to edit your video. After editing your video, you can just click over here, submit, and then you will make your video on YouTube ready, so you can publish it on your channel, and then you will start as an AI influencer, or as one who has AI influencer. So you can, for example, there is a various way you can start with. You can, for example, start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like, for example, impact.com, sorry, offers affiliate flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnership, affiliates can earn a commission, as I said, on sales generated through your referral links. Or you can just for example create a video guide, so you can just create a video guide. Using an AI influencer can be an engaging, innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence, for example, to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you can start script, and you can write a script for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure just the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is just an example that you can start with. These two examples, so you can get money with other ways. Using this AI influencer can help you more and make your content more easy. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.